I was doing an exercise right there. You could say that this is an advanced palm muting technique, because when you're playing these riffs, you have to palm mute a lot and a little and then nothing. Because when I play this, for instance, I have a lot of palm muting going on. So it's very, it's almost completely muted. But then I strike the strings very, very deeply and hard. And then I get that, right, sound. But then I also need another chord, you could take the power chord in the 3rd fret, so you play a D with the 5th, and then have that ring out. And you can also have the E ring out, so you go, and then you lift your hand or you push it back just a little bit, right? And you can see, because I'm palm muting so much, it almost sounds like I'm going, yeah. Right? So, but see if you, because that's the extreme, those are the extreme opposites, right? Radical palm muting, digging deeply into the strings, and then nothing. Right? Love that in that style of music. But then there's the more subtle things of palm muting, and you can practice those by doing legato. Right? Where you do the legato run or whatever, you can where you have the palm muting going on, and that is delicate. You need to palm mute just a little bit. If you palm mute just a little bit too much, you're going to kill the string when you're using a legato. So that's a very nice exercise to simply put on a jam track. Right, and then start palm muting as you're using legato, right? Also, when you're doing phrasing exercises, right? That's a very nice way. So really what I want you to do is, once you practice the palm muting in itself, then put on a jam track. And then all you think about when you solo and improvise over that jam track is using palm muting. That's how to really, because it's an effect, right? If I do only upstrokes, for instance, I get these staccato notes. Right? And of course, when you talk about palm muting and practicing over a jam track, you want to go back and forth between palm muting and not. Because that's the whole enchilada when we're talking palm muting. It is finding the right spot to hold your hand, finding the right amount of palm muting. And once you've found the right amount of palm muting, there's no practicing going on, because now you're just holding your hand in the same spot, right? So you need to go, this is no palm muting. No palm muting, muting. Right? Back and forth like that all the time until it becomes natural and easy. And the cool thing is that when you're doing it over a jam track, rather than just sitting by yourself in a room staring into a white wall practicing, right? Then what actually happens is, because you're in a playing state with music in the background and you're trying to improvise, it becomes part of your soloing without you thinking about it. So it becomes automatic, because hey, the brain is having fun, we're improvising, we're not sitting here practicing with no music, we're not really doing music, we're just practicing a technique, right? But once you're practicing the technique with music, the path to having that technique being integrated in your playing style without you thinking about it is this long, right? So do it, right? Investigate further. If you like that kind of stuff, oh, just do. Right. Right? That delicacy, yeah. So you got my point. That's the way to practice at advanced palm muting, you could call it. So see you in the next video.